Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Yahoo password. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo login page. Look for the Forgot Password link, usually found right below where you would normally sign in, and click it. Then, you will need to enter your Yahoo ID, email address, or the mobile phone number linked to your account. This is the crucial first step to regaining access. Next, Yahoo will ask you to verify your identity. You can choose to receive a verification code via a text message to your registered phone number or an email to your alternate recovery email address. Once you receive the code, carefully enter it into the designated box. If you no longer have access to these recovery options, don't worry. There's usually an account recovery process you can follow to prove you are the rightful owner. Now it's time to create your brand new password. Choose something strong and unique, then type it into the first field. To confirm, type the exact same password into the second field. For optimal security, your new password should be at least 8 characters long and incorporate a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. This makes it much harder for anyone else to guess. To keep your account safe moving forward, remember to regularly update your recovery information, like your phone number and alternate email. Also, consider enabling two-step verification. It adds a significant layer of protection. Finally, always keep your new, strong password confidential. Using a reputable password manager can help you securely store and manage all your unique passwords without needing to memorize them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.